Yo, what's up, guys? Memphis from Metal Snipers here, and today we're checking out the brand new track by Fifth for an Autopsy titled Savior of None slash Ashes of All. Now, I know it's been a minute since I've released that reaction. I've been kind of behind lately, mainly with life and stuff, just working and, doing other shit. But yeah, I seen this drop and figured I'd make a quick reaction video to it real quick. Fifth for an Autopsy is one of my favorite deathcore bands out there right now. They kind of have like a Gojira-esque vibe, which is Gojira is my favorite band of all time. So, yeah, I really, really love them. They said this is gonna be their most powerful album to date, which is interesting, but definitely interested to see if they do that. If they pass Sea of Tragic Beast, that'd be insane, I'd say. What the future holds was also pretty good as well. I thought Tragic Beast was just slightly above it. But yeah, let's see what they got here. Whoa. More fast one instead of slow and heavy. Oh, what a groove. Oh my god, yes. Dude, this is fucking sick. Much different pace than the last one. Ooh. Whoa. Interesting sound. This is very different. Ooh, nice. Oh my god. I love the way this is structured so far too. And the music video is great. Oh. The building? Okay, now it's picking up. Ooh, opening it up. Oh shit. Ooh. Oh, I love the way that transitioned. That was sick. Excuse me. The transition was a little weird, but okay. I'm gonna have to look at the lyrics at this one later. Ooh. Yeah, that guitar riff is sick. Ooh. Alright, that was Savior of None slash Ashes of All. I'm gonna get that a I think I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I was thinking 8.8 or 8.9. I think 9 out of 10 is fair. Um, yeah, that song was super sick. Very, very different too. The way they wrote that one was really weird, but really cool. Um, Kind of hard to explain. Like structurally, it was definitely interesting and way different. The breakdown was also really sick. I think they switched time signatures a few times in that. Um, the main riff was also really really sick. That intro, that was that was fucking sick. Kind of reminded me of Pandora a little bit, but not necessarily. It had a kind of similar vibe, but yeah, it was like super fast, kind of reminding me of Slayer a little bit. I guess I'm not sure. Um, but the chorus was also, I think the chorus was definitely the most interesting part. Um, it was kind of weird. I might have to listen to it a few times, but it just sounded all kind of weird. I don't know how to explain it at this point. Um, Maybe y'all understand it, but yeah, the chorus for me was just weird. I didn't really understand what he was saying, even though he was kind of clean singing. It was might have been the mix or something, or it might have been a little quiet. I don't know. Um, but overall, the song was sick. Definitely, I'm gonna add that to my playlist and jam it out for a while. And yeah, that's 2 out of 2 for singles so far. So how it's shaping up, I'd say. Well, I don't know. I haven't heard enough of the album to determine. I think when it comes to the third single, I'll be able to determine if the album will be better than the other albums or not. But yeah, I think that wraps up my thoughts for this, guys, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.